continue our unboxing video. This is oh gosh, we pulled 3 things out, so we got 4 things left. So let's see what we're gonna grab out of the box next. Kind of cool when you get 7 items to play with. Wow, this thing's heavy. And some of this stuff, you know, delays the other things from shipping. So I'm not really sure what's what anymore. All right, what do we got here? Dodocool iPad keyboard, black. So I did not think about it ahead of time to bring one of our 4 iPads down here to try this out with. I have 2 older models and 2 of the newer models, so I'm not really sure. Oh, this is iPad Pro. iPad Pro 10.5 inch. So that means only one of the iPads is going to work, folks. So this is model DA161, and get that loosened up so you can see what it is. So I always wanted one of these. This is very convenient for traveling. Everybody knows it's a pain in the butt doing a touchscreen for typing. So here is the instruction manual, and looks like a pretty good instruction manual. I got all those kind of shortcut keys there, so that is going to be very convenient. Let me change around the light so you guys can see the instructions in case you're thinking about buying it. You may have to do some pausing of your screen. So, all right, so moving on, let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. Warranty, so there was a warranty card in there. This thing's actually got some weight to it, folks. But if you bought the iPad Pro, you definitely want to protect it. So this is nice. Rarely do I feel super excited about something, but okay, so we don't need that in there. So obviously your iPad would fit right in there, and then I have to read the directions. Trying to remember if this was Bluetooth, but yeah. So this will connect. You got a nice keyboard there. This is a US keyboard, so that's nice. So just about all the keys that you would expect, even for somebody as big as me. I could work with this. So that's about it, folks. I am excited about this. I think I'm gonna like it a lot. Not just a little bit, but you know, sometimes I buy stuff and I'm like, yeah. And then, you know, since we do a lot of computer builds, I buy stuff and I've seen better products, but this is the first one of these I've ever used. So this looks pretty freaking awesome. All right, thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe.